Wow, look at such beautiful flowers. These phlox plants have such a wide range of colors. These plants are sure to make a beautiful and colorful garden. Let's learn how to grow these plants from seeds and what type of potting mix you would require. Let's see how to make a good potting mix. For a good potting mix, you would require all of these. Take 55% garden soil by volume. Take 25% compost by volume. Take 20% coco peat by volume. First take some garden soil. Now add some coco peat. Now add some compost. Mix it well to get a good potting mix. To get more gardening videos, subscribe to this channel. To be notified of new gardening videos, click on the bell icon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. To germinate seedlings, you would require a 4-inch pot with a hole. Close the holes at the bottom of the pot with a piece of cloth to prevent soil from escaping. Now fill the pot with potting mix. Sprinkle a few seeds evenly on the surface of the soil. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of coco peat about 3 mm thick. Now water the seeds with a fungicide solution. Now cover the pot with a plastic sheet to preserve moisture. Keep the pot in the shade for a few days so that the seeds can germinate. Let's check, the seeds have germinated now. It's taken about a week's time. Wow, in a month the seedlings have grown pretty fast. Now the seedling is transplanted into a 6-inch pot. Look at how these beautiful flowers can add so much color to your garden. Wow, look at how many different colors of flowers we have here. Imagine all these colors put together in a beautiful garden bed. Thank you for watching. I'm your host Vivek Norana from My Garden Tutorial. These are beautiful dianthus plants that I'm growing to make YouTube videos. Let me show you some more. These are beautiful phlox plants that I'm growing to make YouTube videos. Check out our beautiful channel trailer. More beautiful videos are being uploaded regularly, so subscribe to stay in touch.